Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So, friends, let's start the video. Salad spinner. Healthy made easy. Our Pro Pump salad spinner makes it so easy to prepare nutritious foods every night of the week. Large salad spinner helps you to clean and serve salad greens and other produce, including fruits and even berries, in seconds. Multiple uses. This lettuce spinner is more than just a device for quickly rinsing and drying produce. Use the basket separately as a colander, and the clear plastic bowl can be used as a large salad bowl or mixing bowl. Enough for everyone. The generous capacity of our salad spinner, 6.65 quart bowl, 5.25 quart basket, means you can put in enough food to feed your entire family. So easy. We know you're busy when it comes to making meals, so we've engineered our large salad spinner for convenient one-handed operation. Simply push down on the spinner mechanism to begin, then tap the brake button when done. Stable and secure. The clear bowl features a soft, non-slip base to secure the salad spinner while in use, with the added bonus of protecting your countertops from getting scratched. Noalto reusable K-cups and coffee pods. The Noalto reusable K-cups and coffee pods stand out as an excellent choice for coffee enthusiasts looking to reduce waste while enjoying their favorite brew. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these K-cups are designed for durability and longevity, offering a sustainable alternative to single-use coffee pods. Measuring 1.42 into 2.08 into 1.73 inches and weighing just 2.12 ounces, the compact size ensures easy handling and storage. The product's basket shape is thoughtfully engineered to maximize extraction and flavor, allowing users to experience their coffee at its best. With a strong customer rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars based on nearly 14,000 reviews, it's evident that many users appreciate the convenience and efficiency of this product. Furthermore, its popularity is reflected in its ranking as the #1 in reusable coffee filters within the home and kitchen category on major marketplaces. The Noalto reusable K-cups are compatible with a variety of coffee makers, making them a versatile addition to any kitchen setup. The simple design ensures easy filling and cleaning, allowing users to switch between different coffee blends without hassle. Air fryer. The Cosori Air Fryer Pro LE 5QT Air Fryer impressively blends functionality and design, making it a standout choice for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. With a generous 5-quart capacity, it accommodates meals for families and small gatherings alike. Its sleek white exterior adds a modern touch to any kitchen decor. A notable feature of this air fryer is its programmability, which allows users to select from various cooking methods, including roasting, broiling, baking, air frying, and dehydrating. This versatility caters to an array of culinary needs and encourages experimentation with different recipes. The touch control method enhances user experience, facilitating easy navigation through the settings. Operating at 1500 watts, the Cosori air fryer reaches temperatures ranging from a minimum of 95 degrees Fahrenheit to a maximum of 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature range enables precise cooking, ensuring that food is evenly cooked while also allowing for dehydration at lower settings. The non-stick coating aids in easy food release and simplifies the cleaning process, making it dishwasher safe for added convenience. Kitchen utensils set. The iBiome Kitchen Scissors All-Purpose Heavy-Duty Kitchen Utensils Set is an essential addition to any kitchen, expertly designed to meet the demands of both casual cooks and culinary enthusiasts. With a sleek and modern aesthetic available in black, red, and black gray, these scissors are not only functional, but will also complement the decor of any kitchen space. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, the scissors feature a brushed finish that enhances durability while providing a smooth blade edge. Measuring 8.66 inches in length and 3.93 inches in width, they are conveniently sized for easy handling and storage. Weighing just 0.2 pounds, these scissors are lightweight yet robust, making them suitable for a variety of tasks. One of the standout features is the ambidextrous hand orientation, which ensures that these kitchen scissors are comfortable to use for both left and right-handed individuals. This inclusivity is a thoughtful design choice that enhances usability for everyone. The straight blade edge is perfect for a range of applications, from cutting through meat and poultry to snipping fresh herbs or even opening packaging. Slow cooker. The Crock-Pot Manual 7-quart slow cooker combines convenience and efficiency, making it an essential addition to any kitchen. With a striking turquoise finish, its stainless steel construction ensures durability and an appealing look that complements various kitchen styles. Measuring 14.5 inches in diameter and 9.5 inches in width, this slow cooker is sizable enough to accommodate meals for families or gatherings with a generous 7-quart capacity. The appliance operates at 1500 watts, providing reliable performance for slow cooking, allowing for the development of rich flavors and tender textures in your meals. The control method is simplistic yet effective, featuring a manual control type with 3 distinct settings. This straightforward functionality means anyone can quickly learn to use it, making it suitable for both experienced chefs and novice cooks alike. However, it is important to note that it is not dishwasher safe, which might require some extra effort for cleaning.